What's up, everybody? Steve Sanchez right here, and we're doing the contenders today. And today's live is going to be about drawing Storm from the X-Men. Go ahead and start the sketch process. I'm going to do some layouts, okay? And the layouts is going to entail for 8.5 by 11 in size. Storm. I like drawing the 80s version. Okay, so shapes are your friends, guys. Get in there with the shapes. Make it interesting with triangular situations. You know what I'm saying? It just makes things a lot more interesting to look at. So we got that shape there. Very simple. It could be a circle in the background. She can have her mohawk. Or I can make it smaller. And maybe her hands are more kind of a rocker style. Shoulders are nice and tiny. There it is. So she has a little electricity going on here. Her eyes, her mouth, torso, little half bod shimmy. At the beginning is, once again, it's all shapes, so you're just having fun with it. You know, this is what drawing is all about. This is what I keep telling in my videos over on my channel. Sketch Art of Sanchez, if you haven't checked it out. Sketch Art of Sanchez over on YouTube. And you can see all the other videos I have up there on illustrating and how to illustrate. Nice little thin hip, right? Pop the hips out. Might as well make the fingers kind of come at you like this. There it is. See how that looks like? So simple, a little bit more interesting to look at. Always go with the interesting one. If time's an issue, then work out, you know, say, okay, well, I'm gonna go with this one because it's a lot simpler and I can easily do it. And pricing your artwork is one of those things where it's like, the way you do it is you work on pieces and sell at a small rate. If you're seeing that you're getting a lot of want for buyers, then you can then increase the price. I would say $5 at a time. All right. Poses for her is something that we want to focus on because it's Storm, you know, so she has to have some type of like wicked cool pose that's going to showcase her abilities. Hands behind here, a little electricity. Might be a lightning bolt coming down. Here's a cool trick. Take a thicker pencil. That's a 7. This is a 9. And what I do is I outline real quick. Because sometimes I'll do like, I don't know, 10 or 20 of these things. And you can forget what you illustrated. Right? So you do something like this. Because the whole point is to keep the form. That way you don't forget what you illustrated. All right, she has her arm back here, so we're gonna draw straight through. It's what the good book over at Draw Comics the Marvel Way taught us, right? So now this should be there. So you got the arm going back, or we can have the arm flexing forward this way. Like that. A little shoulder action. Okay, see that? So this way, you can see in a clearer tone compared to these because you could do the same thing with these, right? Which is boom. And just keep it simple because this, once again, it's all shapes. This is just to get the general idea out. There we go. See that? Boop. All set. Booyah! See what's going on there?